welcome back, pilots, to another video. Today we have the brand new 3D print Caracal that I've been working on for about a couple weeks. I finally got everything ironed out. There was some print failures, like this tail motor. It broke off one of the tests on a bench test, so I had to 3D print that piece. But this helicopter is using a FW450 2.5 generation. So it has the belt, but it also has this really cool 3D printed conversion kit, so you can fit all your guts. So this thing is about 80% 3D printed. I use carbon fiber PETG for the main body. And then I use some of the, I think this is PLA for the exhaust. This is ASA gray on the tail. Also, I am not using the blue motor because I broke the cable, so I had an extra scale laying around, and I really want to get this thing in the air and see how it flies. This is also ASA, PETG carbon fiber. And yeah, so I'm gonna be flying on a 3000 milliamp at 70% head speed, just to see how this aircraft does. A lot of it's just held by glue, so hopefully the glue is gonna hold. It's not too windy, and I'm looking forward to it. And the canopy, it does come with clips, but I chose the magnets, just me. And oh yeah, the guns I accidentally just broke in the car, so I'm gonna have to 3D print that piece. But yeah, she is a beaut. So the head speed is about 70% head speed, and we're gonna just fly it around and see how it holds. This is mostly just a demonstration flight to make sure that everything's working together, that the fuselage is not gonna fall apart, and we're gonna look at the structural integrity. But overall, I'm super excited to fly this beautiful aircraft on this beautiful day. So further ado, let's get into it. All right, here we go. Oh wow, that thing is quiet. Okay. Okay, look at that. So I'm gonna step in the grass so I can get a better camera. But yeah, look at that. Oh, it's so light and quiet. It's freaking cool. Oh, I did increase the gain on the swash plate, and oh my goodness, this thing does not feel like a robot anymore. Look at that. That is a beaut. And it's quiet. Oh, this thing's freaking awesome. So we're about a minute in, just doing some circles. And wow. Increasing that that swash plate has made it more removable but less robot-y. And what's really cool about this 3D print fuselage, it's lighter than most other fuselages. So you can run a smaller battery pack and theoretically you can get a longer flight time. Yeah. Pretty neat. We're about 3 minutes in. And it looks like I got some spectators. Man, it's so quiet. That's so freaking cool. Can't wait to put FPV in this. So the FW450 that I moved this over to was the Airwolf. I didn't like the Airwolf, and yeah, I just didn't like it. Just to be honest, it was the first batch of fuselages, and there were so many vibrations issues, and honestly that fuselage was just so heavy for this type of aircraft, because you gotta remember this is a 3D aircraft, so it does all the 3D tricks, and you know, I just never liked to fly it. So right now we're testing the tail. So far it does really good. I don't see any major vibration issues, so that's good. But yeah, it's, wow, I can't believe my second 3D print helicopter came out after Black Thunder. I will leave a link in the description where you can buy this fuselage printable file. Now, I'll be honest, there is a couple things I do not like on the file, but you know what, I don't create these things, and I'm only here to just get feedback. But it's just tiny little things that can be fixed to make this a lot better. But honestly, there's other cool fuselage that the creator make. He has a Black Hawk, Apache, a Little Bird, of course this guy, and he's just coming out with cool new things. So I'm definitely going to be buying more, because this was actually a really fun print to do. I did ask him for help because there is really no design. There's some pieces I wasn't sure about, and he helped out so much. But overall, this thing is amazing. So we've been flying around for 5 minutes, and so far it is so good. So let's do a speed test. All right, here we go. Ready? That thing's freaking cool. I'm honestly so happy those kids are gone. You know, the rules say we can't fly near them, and they came in, and I'm just like, like, go away, I want to do cool things. But man, this thing is awesome. So I did turn off auto invert. I'd be hesitant to do auto invert because I only have a battery strap and I don't want that thing to come off, and that canopy is it's not as sturdy with the magnets. I need to put a little bit more heavy duty magnets. I just used what I had. But yeah. And also, I recommend, if you're using the belt, if you look at mine, you'll see this little white ring. That keeps the belt from sliding off. So I highly recommend that, or you convert it with the new main gear with just another 2 pieces. And what I like about this, oh, there's the return to home. So let's take over. Let's bring it back to land. So on a 3000 battery, and my volt is set to 3.6, I got about almost 8 minutes of flight time. That is freaking amazing. And this thing is quiet. And just look at that. Man, that is amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. So my thoughts on this beautiful helicopter is that I'm super happy with the decision I made of purchasing this, even though it did give me a couple little hiccups, but that's in the build video. I'll explain that. Just a little simple little thing about the design flaw, that this motor mount, because he's based his off a different motor, because he beefed his up, but it's flat and it does not have enough clearance for this pin right here, which you got to Dremel or get a 3D print motor mount and push it out so it doesn't rub in here and catch a fire. So that's just something there. And then, like I was saying earlier, like little grooves so these can come together. That will make the building a little bit easier. But the future plan is to paint this into yellow 13 from Ace Combat 4. That's why you kind of see the different kind of grays. I was getting some of the pieces ready to make that painting time shorter. But I like the idea. I like how he designed this to be really FPV friendly. So good job, Mike. This was a great helicopter. Like I say, if you decide you want to build this, just make sure you have a couple builds under your belt, because it is a little tricky, but most people can get it done. If you want to go head first, headstrong, and you want to make this your first build, you'll get it done. And I'll have a build video anyways to show you how to build it, so just keep that in mind. It's gonna be coming soon right after this. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little fun long video. You will see more of this. Like I said before, this is Black Thunder's nemesis, Caracal. So like and subscribe to the channel and have a good one.